everybody, welcome to the 𝐂𝐸 Way. I'm Jessica. Today's video is going to be the best picture books to read to your preschooler. Now, last week I shared the things that I would do if I could start all over homeschooling Emily from preschool. And one of the things I said is read more books, specifically picture books. In case you missed that video, I will link it up here for you. But I thought I would share, in my opinion, some of the best books to read with your preschooler so that you would have a list. I'm also going to leave a link in the description where you can get a printable of this list so you don't have to try to write them down as I'm talking. All right, the first one we have is Mouse Count and its partner Mouse Paint. These are both adorable. We have one of our family personal favorites, We're Going on a Bear Hunt. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. This is not just a personal favorite. It is like the heartwarming book that we will never get rid of because it's the first book Emily ever read. And by read, I mean she memorized it. But anyway, Brown Bear, what do you see? We also have Elmer. The Big Red Barn. Giraffes Can't Dance. Little Blue Truck. And obviously this book is adorable, and there's like a whole series of Little Blue. Let's see, Little Blue Leads the Way. I think there's also now Little Blue for all the different holidays. He's adorable and you should have them all. 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. Then we have 2 that are interactive. This one is Press Here. It's really, really funny because throughout the book, it will tell you to like do different things like press this or do this. And then as you do it and flip the page, you know, things will change as if you're making it happen. With the same thing in mind, we have Mix It Up. So you'll like grab some of the red and grab some of the blue and mix them together. And then on the next page, it will have turned into purple or orange or green. Really, really fun interactive books. We have Bear Sees Colors. Bear Counts. Another personal favorite, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. And then of course we can't leave out Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. LMNOPs. Millions of Cats. Corduroy. Blueberries for Sal. A Color of His Own. Now, really all of Leo Leone's books are fantastic. I'll show you some of them on the back of this. It just so happens that A Color of His Own is our personal favorite, but you really can't go wrong with any of them. Alexander and the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day. The Story About Peeing. The Story of Ferdinand. Miss Rumphius. Ten Black Dots. Eating the Alphabet. The Dot. Goodnight Moon. Interrupting Chicken. Lentil. Little Blue and Little Yellow. Where the Wild Things Are. The Little House. Of course, we need Curious George. Stone Soup. Caps for Sale. The 7 Silly Eaters, Alpha Oops, The Day Z Went First, Stregonona, The Gruffalo, Katie No Pocket, Madeline, and Make Way for Ducklings. So that is just some of our very favorite picture books for preschoolers. Now I tried to make sure I picked a really, really great assortment of books, and this is, in my opinion, some of the best. In this stack of books, you have alphabet books, you have number books, you have colors, you have shapes. You'll be learning about like the difference in people and animals. A lot of them are from different places, so you can talk about, for example, France with Madeline, or China with the story about Ping, or Spain with the story of Ferdinand. We can talk about being different when we read Elmer. There's so many different things that we can introduce to our preschoolers through these books because there's such a great assortment here. And that was really my goal when I made this list, was to try to pick some of our very, very favorites that would cover just a little bit of everything. Now, that being said, we don't need extra worksheets or studies or any of that with our preschoolers. You can do it, but you don't have to. I promise that just sitting down and reading the book together is more than enough. The only thing you might want to do is also talk about it. For example, can we see how she's wearing something different? That's because she's from here. Or can we, see how the elephants end up embracing Elmer even though he's different? Like we should treat people who are different the way we would want to be treated. Or, just a conversation is all that you really need. You don't have to have all of this extra stuff. I promise just reading the books and talking about them is more than enough for your preschooler. And before you go, if you're homeschooling a preschooler this year, I'm doing a giveaway you're not going to want to miss. I'm giving away everything you need for preschool: books, games, hands-on resources, and even purposeful preschool. So if you've been wondering how to make preschool simple, fun, and actually work, this is the easiest way to get started. Check the link below in the description to enter for a chance to win.